In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test desktop view on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're designing a site and want to preview how your brilliant creation looks on a desktop, or you're working on fine-tuning the details, being able to efficiently view and test the desktop version of your site can be a real game changer. So let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Sites. A quick search should bring up the link you need. Click on that link to access the main Google Sites page. Google Sites is a simple, versatile tool for building websites, and being able to navigate to it is the first step in using it effectively. Once you're on the Google Sites page, log into your Google account if prompted. After you've logged in, you'll see a list of your existing sites if you have already created some. Scroll through your list and select the site you wish to test. Click on the site to open it. This is your workspace where all the creative magic happens and where you'll want to ensure everything is perfectly aligned for desktop viewing. After opening your site, direct your attention to the menu options at the top right corner of your screen. Among these, you'll find an icon shaped like an eye. This is your preview option. Clicking on this will open your site in preview mode, which allows you to accurately see how users will experience your layout and content once it's published. With preview mode open, you'll notice different options to test various formats of your site. To switch to the desktop view, look again at the top navigation bar in the preview window. There, you'll find icons representing different devices. Select the icon that resembles a desktop monitor. This action will transform the current view to display your site as it appears to desktop users. This preview tool is an incredibly useful feature for making sure your design translates well from the design phase to the final product. By viewing your site in desktop mode, you can check everything from image alignment to text readability, ensuring that what you've designed meets your expectations in function and style. Testing and previewing are crucial steps in web design as they allow you to catch and fix any discrepancies or errors before your audience ever sees your work. It's always a good idea to double-check elements like navigation bars, text blocks, and interactive components in desktop view to ensure they appear exactly as intended. And there you have it, a straightforward way to test the desktop view of your Google site. With these steps, you can be confident that your site looks just as good on larger screens as it does on smaller ones, ensuring a seamless experience for all your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.